Rappid Technologies is thrilled to present the RCM Tulsi Paints App, which simplifies and streamlines your business interactions with this company, making it easier and more convenient. This app offers a user-friendly interface and a host of features, ensuring that it can be easily used by anyone. Let's take a closer look at this app. Users of all kinds can access the app effortlessly through OTP sign-in using their mobile numbers. This method ensures the valid authentication of all app users, enhancing security and trust in the process. After a successful sign-in, users will experience the sheer awesomeness of this app, thanks to its incredible simplicity and breathtaking design. Users can effortlessly access the company's brochure, price list, documents, and videos with just a few simple taps. From the app dashboard, users can seamlessly access the company's projects, provide feedback, update their profile, and explore all the other amazing features. This app has an extensive collection of over 1 million color shades. Users can effortlessly browse through these shades by color and even search for them by their names. The app has revolutionized the company's color palette by digitizing it, replacing the need for traditional paper color palettes. Users can also check the formulation of any shade, including its color formula and precise quantities calculated for each color component. This incredible feature makes it a daily essential for both users and customers of the company, supporting their daily business operations. In the Store Locator feature, users can easily explore all the company's stores, with a comprehensive listing of stores across all states available in the app. All training sessions and other company-related videos are neatly categorized in the app for easy user access, providing an engaging and convenient way to learn at any time. Users have the exciting opportunity to showcase their work on the app's feeds, allowing thousands of people to admire their creativity and accomplishments. Users can share images of their painted work on the app, allowing others to view their profiles and admire their creative contributions. And with numerous captivating features, this app truly becomes the one-stop solution for all your needs within this company. So, if you're seeking business solutions like these, Rappid Technologies is your ideal development partner. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more. We specialize in crafting custom business solutions that match your unique needs. To learn more, visit the video description. And we look forward to meeting you again in our next exciting video.